Okay. So now I want to explain mechanism of gaseous exchange through a lenticel. I said a lenticel is an opening on the back of epidermis of the stem. You have stomata in the leaves, while you have lenticels on the stem. Okay, and a lenticel is made up of dead cells, dead, loose, cold cells. So nothing is really guiding the lenticels on the stems. Okay, so lenticel can help, the cells can help to reduce evaporation of water, okay, and also allow circulation of air and gaseous exchange to ensure that the living cells expire properly. So they are kept open so that air can flow in and air can also flow out. Then gases can also move out. I say gases continue to move out into the plant through the lenticels, and gases can also move out, because at times it is only when photosynthesis takes place that you have guard cells becoming that you have guard cells becoming turgid. That's only when you have stomata opening. Okay, but lenticels are there whether stomata opened or not. You have lenticels. Okay, lenticels can take in gases and can also allow accumulated gases, and those accumulated gases during the day will be carbon oxide. Okay, and at night during the day will be during the day will be oxygen, because when photosynthesis takes place, oxygen will be released. Okay, so you have oxygen being released during the day. Okay, if it is at night, you have carbon oxide. But lenticel can take in gases whether during the day or at night. So those are the mechanism of the exchange of gases through the stomata and also through a lenticel. And that had brought us to the end of respiratory system. Any question? Any question on what we have done so far? Any question? Any question?
No more.
Good. So I hope you are ready for my test now. Not today, not today. The test will be next week. Okay?
Ma, on this topic, right?
Yes, on respiratory system. The test will be on respiratory system.
But everything we've done on respiratory system.
Yes, from beginning. See where we stopped. And that will be next week, Tuesday. Don't tell me, I told you last week. We couldn't hold our class on Tuesday because of the salary break. So I told you last week that immediately we finish this topic, there will be a short test on it. Okay? So make sure you read your notes very well. Okay? Or if it is textbook that you want to read, make sure that you read them very well. Good. But before we end today's class, we still have like 12 more minutes. So let me ask one or two questions from you to really know how far you have gone today. So, Adumo, let me start with you. God, yes. Can you explain or briefly describe inspiration for us? Inspiration.
Inspiration. Inspiration. Okay, inspiration. So basically, like breathing in, you take in oxygen. So in the process, the chest assumes a.
Is it the chest?
The cavity,
Your
the
chest is
chest,
flat when you breathe in,
Oh
Damilola.
my
the
God.
chest cavity.
No. Mention that structure. Mention the name of that structure.
The ribs cage. I
God.
don't know. What do I know?
Let me remind you.
Rib block.
Diaphragm.
Oh yes, the diaphragm assumes a dome shape,
Oh,
a flat shape.
flat shape. Good. Flat shape.
Are you gambling?
Shimri,
Which
it's
one is
Shimri
it?
that's confusing me. It's Shimri.
Please, you guys should just stop. Let us speak our mind, please.
Okay, ma.
So we are listening to you.
I'm not
So
the one
the
that said dome
diaphragm
shape for
assumes
diaphragm.
that means a flat shape,
Yes.
and it goes in.
I don't know what happened.
In. Yes. Okay. So the stem. I don't like this system at all. So the intercostal muscles relax
Which one?
while
Which one?
the
We have two types.
the internal.
Okay. Internal intercostal muscle will relax. What happened
Yes.
to the external
Yes. While the
intercostal muscle?
external, they will contract.
External
Relax, contract.
intercostal muscles will contract. Yes. So what will that one lead to? The contraction of the external intercostal muscles and the relaxation of the internal intercostal muscle will lead to something. What is that?
Ma.
What will happen to the ribs?
Ma.
They will
Yes.
relax.
Yes. Oh.
Relax.
No. That's not the right word to use. Okay. Damilola, just stop there. Just stop. Yes, you want to explain
I don't want to continue. I just want to explain that part.
Okay, explain inspiration, Oladele. Let's hear from you.
No. I want to like see that part that she's missing out.
Okay, that part that she's missing. Okay, yes, help her out.
The ribs move upwards and outwards.
Okay, the ribs will
Increase the
move.
volume of chest cavity.
Yeah, the chest cavity. Okay, the effect of that is that there will be increase in the volume of the chest cavity. Okay, once
Mommy.
you have external intercostal muscles relaxing and internal intercostal muscles, external intercostal muscles contracting and internal intercostal muscles relaxing. Okay, that effect will make the ribs to move upwards and then outwards. Okay, and that one will lead to the increase in the volume of the chest cavity. Okay, and again, I said that diaphragm that is changing from the dome shape to become flat will also help in increasing the chest cavity. So Aduma, continue from there. Damilola, yes. Continue.
I think they said everything.
No, he has not said everything.
I told you I don't know it. I was going to help you that part.
What's even the question? I don't even understand what's happening here.
Inspiration.
I said Aduma should explain inspiration.
Question called something or what? I don't understand.
Inspiration. I asked Aduma to explain inspiration. So Aduma, continue.
Is it the part of the gases that exchange that is left? Because I don't know what's left.
Okay. What will happen to the air? What will happen to the pressure?
What happens? Oh, okay. It will.
What will happen
It
to
will
the lungs?
increase.
What's increasing?
The air pressure in the lungs.
Air pressure will increase or decrease. For inspiration, the air pressure will decrease because the volume is increasing now. The chest cavity has increased, so lungs will increase. Okay, the lung will expand. Okay? So once the lungs expand, the pressure will decrease. And here we flow in through the nostrils into the lungs. And that one will equalize the pressure in the lungs with atmospheric pressure. Okay, so what can you say about the air that is inhaled now? I use 3 words for the air that is inhaled. Yes?
It is warm.
Warm,
Yes.
warm, Inhaled air is warm, yes. What are the remaining 2 words? Is
I don't know.
filtered, is warm, is filtered, and then moistened. Is filtered, warmed,
Were we not talking
then
about
moistened.
stomatitis?
Oh, you know, Mubarak, you joined late. We started from inspiration. We started from the mechanism of breathing in man. Is that okay?
Okay.
So it's just a reminder for those of you that joined late. So after that, I explained expiration. Semilore, Oluwa Semilore, yes. So can you explain expiration? It's just the opposite of what Aduma said under inspiration. So let's hear from you. Yes. Let's hear from you. Semilore. Semilore.
Ma? Yes, ma.
Yes. I said you should explain expiration.
Expiration.
Yes. What is expiration? Explain the process.
It's the process where the air inside the lungs is breathed out.
So how? Tell us the mechanism. Okay, let me help you. What will happen to the diaphragm? What will happen to the ribs? Okay? So tell us.
Oh, okay. The diaphragm relaxes, so it turns into a dome shape.
Good. And what is the effect of that?
Ma?
What is the effect of that on the chest cavity?
It reduces the
Good. It will
expanded
reduce the
shape
chest cavity.
that before
Good.
from.
Yes. What about the intercostal muscles? Yes. Which one will relax and which one will contract?
Then the internal intercostal muscle. The external intercostal muscle will relax.
Internal intercostal muscles, Internal intercostal muscle will do what?
The external intercostal muscle.
We do what?
The internal intercostal muscles.
We do what? We expand. Sorry. Internal intercostal muscles will contract. Internal intercostal muscles will contract while the external intercostal muscles will relax. Okay? So what will be the effect of that on the ribs? What will be the effect of that on the ribs? Akerele. Akerele. Hello? 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 I'm not hearing anything again from Akerele. Maybe she has lost the signal. Yes, Akerele. Good.
Ma,
Okay.
I said that the internal intercostal muscles will contract.
Speak out.
I said the internal intercostal muscles will contract.
Okay. Why the external intercostal muscles
While the
will
external
relax? And what will be the effect of that on the
will
ribs?
relax.
What will be the effect of that contraction and relaxation on the ribs?
The ribs will go inward and push upward.
Good. The ribs will move downwards and inwards. So the chest cavity will decrease and the lung will now contract. Okay.
Damola, did you hear that?
Pressure of air in the lungs will increase while air will flow out of the lungs through the nostrils. Okay, good. Before we end the class, Judith,
Ma?
good. What is residual hair?
Is the air
Judith,
left
what is residual
in the
hair?
lung? Ma'am, saying it.
Eh?
It is the air left.
It is the air left in the lungs. Good.
Yes.
Malik, Abdul Malik,
Yeah,
Malik, Abdul Malik, Malik.
He has answered.
So what is tidal hair? What is tidal hair?
Sorry, Dele, why are you coughing?
I don't know.
Malik, what is tidal hair?
Let me get it.
Everything
Yes,
is
I'm
alright.
not hearing
I'm just
you.
checking. You will
Okay.
call NDDC.
Well, that's just where we are stopping the class for today. It's already time. So please read what we have done so far. I don't know. It's like some of you are not following. So please read your respiratory system.
Like some of you, they are not
No,
following.
the question is going to be in OBJ form. So I'm going to put in those areas, those parts, so that we'll be very sure that you really understood what we have done since last week up to today. Any other questions? Any question again?
Please.
Okay.
You
Bye. Okay, yes, Mubarak.
You said the space between the concave parts of God's cells.
Sorry, the voice is not loud enough. I'm not hearing.
The space between the concave parts of God's
What
stomach.
can I do now? Where is the fourth form? Let me see whether it is from my side. It's 100%.
I'm so lost.
What's the problem? I'm not hearing you properly. The voice is very, very.
Can you hear me?
Mubarak.
Mr. Inekima, can you hear me?
I can't hear you properly.
Oof,
Your voice is very, very faint.
Should I type it?
The voice is very, very faint. I'm not